So let's take more examples on intersection and union of a set. Given two sets x and y, given set x to be 1 containing 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set y has just 6, 4, 5, and 3. What is x intersection y? X intersection y is a third set that contains the element that common to the two of them. So let's find out. Is one common to these two sets? No. 2? No. 3? Yes, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So we have an element. Is 4 common to the two of them? 4? Yes. Then we have 4. So x intersection y will be 3 and 4. So x union y will be all the elements present in either x or y or in two of them. So like I said in my previous video, what you need to do not to confuse yourself is to write out all the elements in the first set, which is x. So we write 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then go to the next set and find out if there's any one here that is missing in what you've written out. So we have 6. Yes, 6 is not yet here. We write it out. 4 has already been written. There is no repetition in set theory. 5, no. So we write it out. 3, yes, we've written it already. So our set x union y will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 5. And like I said in my previous video, you'll see that every element of x can be found in x union y, and every element of y can be found in x union y, and also every element common to the two of them can also be found in x union y. So let's take another example. So given that we have a universal set of A, B, C, D, E, and F, and we have these three sets, it's x, y, and z. So let's find out what x union y will be. X union y will be a third set that contains every element in either x or y or in both. So like I said, write out every element in x. So we have A, B, C, and D. Now let's go to y. C already written, we're not going to write that again. D already written, E not yet. So we write that out. So our x union y will be A, B, C, D, and E. Another question, x union z. So we have, let's write out the elements in x, A, B, C, and D. Now we move to z. B already present, D already present, F not yet. So we write that out. And our x union z will be A, B, C, D, and F. Another example, y intersection z. Now, y intersection z will be all the elements common to both y and z. So let's see. Is C common to both of them? No. Is D common to the two of them? Yes. D here, we have D here, so we write that here. Is E common to the two of them? No. So there is no other element in y, so we close the bracket. And our y intersection z is just D. That's the only element common to the two of them. Let's try another sort of complicated one. Now we have what is x union y union z. So I always advise students to write out the elements individually. No, don't always go back to the question in case you have to use your pencil to mark so that you don't get yourself confused. So I will rewrite the element of x union y here. X union y contains A, B, C, D, and E. Then my z contains just B, D, and F. So what is x union y union z? Only means put these two sets together, which means everything present in x union y and or present in z. So our x union y union z will be equals to, write out every element of x union y. We have A, B, C, D, and E. So let's find out if the elements have already been written. B, present, yes, no need to write. D, present, yes. F, not yet. So we write that out. So our x union y union z is A, B, C, D, E, and F. One more question. So X intersection Y union X intersection Z. What you first do is always to solve out what is in the bracket. So as given, like I said, always write it out again so that if you have to use your pencil, you don't confuse yourself. Now X has been given to be this, Y, then we have Z. So let's find out what is X intersection Y. X intersection Y will be a top set that contains element common to the two of them. So let's mark with my pencil. Is A common? No, not common to the two of them. B common to the two of them? No. C? Yes, C here, C here. So we write that out. Then D common to the two of them? Yes also. So we write that out. So X intersection Y is C and D. Now let's see what X intersection Z is. Elements common to the two of them. X is A common. Let me use another color. Is A common to the two of them? No. Is B common to the two of them? Yes. So we have B here, we have B here. Is C common to the two of them? No. There is no C here. Is D common to the two of them? Yes, again, D is here and D is here. So we write that out. F not common to the two of them. So our X intersection Z is B and D. So now let's put these two together because we want X intersection Z union X intersection Z. So putting it together, we have X intersection Y union X intersection Z will be equals to C, yeah, D, B, yes, D, no, not again because we've written it before. Don't forget I said order is not important in set theory. So just write it as it has been given so that you don't confuse yourself trying to figure out which one is A or not. I would believe these videos has helped you. Don't keep it to yourself. Share with your friend. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Watch out for more videos. Thank you.